I always get reminded of, where it says, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I'll spend 4 sharpening my axe. Most people think this and think, yes, prepare, good, preparation is smart. But here's the problem. Preparation becomes its own addiction. And I'll see people falling in this trap time and time again. It's like they'll see a shiny new tool, something will come out, maybe they play with it or they don't, and someone will say something like, oh no, you need local models running in your OpenClaw to save the permanent underclass, stuff like that, and then they'll go do that and never actually get anything done. I want to make sure you avoid stuff like this and actually use the right technology. So let's actually get some output from what we have just learned and put what we learned into practice and get AI working for us, right? Let's not continue in this cycle where we're just inundated by new shiny objects and not actually getting anything of value out of AI. And we're just spending more money there. It doesn't make anything. And to do that, I actually developed a framework that I'm about to share with you. It's called the Automation Priority Matrix. And once we go through that exercise, hopefully you'll know how you can start automating everything in your life and buy back a bunch of your time so you can put it in very high leverage tasks. All right. Now that we have our AIOS, we know how to build apps and automations. Now the question is, what do you actually automate first? And the sad part is most people get this completely wrong because they jump into building automations for stuff that looks kind of cool and not the stuff that they're actually bleeding their time in. And then they'll see like 3 months go by and then they haven't saved anything or done anything real with AI.